I got the opportunity to give a seminar to kids in COAF, and yeah, it was just an opportunity of a lifetime. I'm Patrick Donabedian from Los Angeles, California, in the USA, and I'm a Brazilian Jiu-jitsu black belt at Eddie Bravo's 10th Planet World Headquarters. I feel it's important for us diaspora Armenians to come back and share our respective skill sets. There's a lot of ways to contribute and give back, and Jiu-jitsu just happens to be my way. I feel like I'm the one that's receiving. There's this perception that, oh, in a country so far away from where I'm from, it must be a lot of poverty and not a lot of opportunity, but from what I saw, they're all very smart, very athletic. And I think that there's two ways that a kid can really fall into a bad place. One is that they feel they don't matter, or a kid can feel like they're a total disappointment. And either way, whether you're neglected or you just feel like a disappointment, to know that there's this center, this COAF center, and that there's adults that are there for them, it's something that just fills the heart of young men, and I just want them to feel love in here. You know, I know life out here can be a little bit more difficult, less opportunities for the kids that live out here, but the work that COAF is doing to bring that vibrancy and that opportunity out to here from the city is, I could see today that it's working.